Bonjour et bienvenue. I know so many people who give up learning a foreign language or French for that matter after a few months or after a few levels, or people who have done it in school and then never followed up on it. Why that happens? One of the reasons is that they don't speak, they don't practice speaking. So if you're serious, if you're watching this video, that means you have some interest in learning French. But if you're serious, then what you're going to do today is that whenever you're watching a video, for example this video, you are going to have a pen and paper with you or something to note down what I'm saying. In this video, I'm going to give you extremely useful sentences that you can start speaking from day one. And if you're talking to someone who knows French, they'll create a very strong impression. They will also keep you humble because I'll teach you how to say that you're still a learner. You know how you have that learner's license or learner logo on a car when you're learning, and then everybody around you is supportive? Same way, when you start speaking from day one, it'll give you a lot of confidence that you're speaking the language, and you will improve, and you'll get a lot of support from native speakers or those who know French, because and they'll help you in your learning journey. So take your pen and paper, note down a few things that I'm going to tell you, and the next thing that you're going to do is speak them, use them. They are very useful in day-to-day situations. And if you have nobody to talk to in French, then you say those things in front of a camera, record yourself, and see how you sound when you're speaking French. It will also help you improve your pronunciation. Okay, enough talking. Let us start the video, and you have to write down. Okay. Okay, let's start with a slightly longer sentence. Don't get scared looking at a long sentence. I'll explain it to you and you'll be able to speak it today itself. Okay. Je m'appelle. If you have seen the video about on se présenter, which is introducing yourself or talking about yourself, I'll give you the link in description, then you'll know what it is. Je m'appelle Archa. So here, instead of Archa, you will put your name. Je m'appelle Archa. My name is Archa. Et j'aime. I love. J'aime apprendre. J'aime apprendre la langue française. Je m'appelle Archa. Yes, you should try repeating after me. Je m'appelle Archa et j'aime apprendre la langue française. Okay, so I have purposely not given you the meaning because, as I said, you have to note down. So you have to carefully listen to me and note down the meaning as well as the sentence. Okay, je m'appelle Archa et j'aime apprendre la langue française, which means that my name is Archa and I like to learn French language. Je suis débutante et je ne parle pas couramment. Je suis débutante et je ne parle pas couramment. Okay, what did I say? Je suis débutant if a guy is talking, and débutante if a girl is talking. Je suis débutante, I will say it like that. Je suis débutante et je ne parle pas couramment, and I do not speak fluently. Okay, so you're telling them that you're learning French, you like learning French, but you are a debutant, you're a learner, a beginner, and you do not speak fluently. Believe me, it works. They'll help you learn. They'll support you even if you make mistakes, and this will give you a lot of confidence. So let me repeat both the phrases for you once again. Je m'appelle Archa et j'aime apprendre la langue française. Je suis débutante et je ne parle pas couramment. Je suis débutante et je ne parle pas couramment. Couramment. Everything that ends with ment is mon. Couramment. Okay, now what is next? These were two long ones. Now I'll give you simple words, okay? Bon courage. Bon courage. This you can say every time you want to wish someone good luck or best of luck. Bon courage, may you have courage. But this is used for good luck or best of luck. Okay? Let's not spend too much time on this. Let me repeat it once again. Bon courage. This comes very handy in situations like this, and you can start speaking today itself. Okay, what's next? Félicitations. Félicitations. Okay, any guesses? What does it mean? Félicitations. Congratulations. This also, there can be multiple occasions. Even if you're not learning French, you are speaking in English, and if you write this or if you say this, it sounds really cool. Félicitations. Just drop it somewhere, and those who don't know the meaning also, they'll look up and they'll be impressed. Wow, he or she is saying things in French. Bien sûr. Bien literally means well. Sûr is short, so this entirely completely means of course. Of course. Bien sûr. Somebody said something to you and you have to say of course, you'll say bien sûr. This again, you'll mix it in English. Fais attention. Everything. See, there are many words which end with tion. First of all, they are all feminine. Everything that ends with tion, it's a very helpful rule to understand. Tion ending words are feminine, and you pronounce them like that. Sion, attention, fais attention. This is fais, and faites. Faites is formal way because it's a conjugation with vous. You know, right? Vous and tu. Vous is formal. Like in Hindi, those who know Hindi, it's aap, and tu is tum or tu. Okay? For those who don't understand Hindi, don't worry. Vous is the formal way when you're talking to someone who's older than you, or someone in a formal setting in an office or something. You'll use vous, and someone in among friends and all, you'll use tu. So fais is the familiar version, pardon, and faites is the formal version. All right. Fais attention. Faites attention. Somebody is going to drop something, or somebody is walking and going to trip, and you tell them fais attention, be careful. Yes, be careful. Okay, next. Amuse-toi bien. We have seen this earlier. Bien sûr. Amuse-toi bien, amusez-toi bien. Why two sentences? Because the same difference. This is informal and as in familiar, and this is formal. Amuse-toi bien. What does it mean? It means enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Amuse-toi bien. Amusez-vous bien. Enjoy yourselves. Okay, this is interesting. À santé. À santé. Santé literally means health. À santé, we say when we so it's the English equivalent can be cheers. So à santé is when you say when you're raising a toast. And what is raising a toast? En trinque. This is familiar. This is it is used in day-to-day French. En trinque. En trinque is let's raise a toast. À santé is cheers. En trinque. À santé. À santé, en trinque. There you go. All right. Okay. J'espère que vous avez bien appris ce que je vous ai dit. Et j'espère que vous avez noté ce que je vous ai dit. Okay. Now, what you can do is you can put it on rewind and try to understand what I said. See, not everybody will speak very slowly with you. So you need to habituate yourself to that sort of listening. You need to listen again and again so that you get used to how French sounds, so that you can figure out the words that the other person is saying. Ok, c'est compris? Bien compris? Alors, je vous laisse et à la prochaine. Bonne journée. Au revoir.